So somebody said, hey, Dave, why don't you do a video on how to install Skype? So here we go. First off, there are two versions of Skype. You can use either one of them. If you have Windows 10, there are two versions of Skype. Windows 10 has a built-in version of Skype. If you start Windows 10 and you type in Skype, you will find it because it's almost always there. If it's not there, Microsoft will want to install it from the Windows Store, which you can do. However, I don't recommend that. In fact, you may already have it installed, and it may be the Windows Store version. This is the Windows Store version. If you do, it will show as installed. It'll say, instead of say get, it will say launch. If it is installed, I would recommend removing it, because instead, what I would recommend is that you go to skype.com, Skype.com, and download, go to downloads here, just make sure you get the right one, and download Skype for Windows. If you have a Macintosh, of course, you would download Skype for Mac. It would automatically detect and should give you the correct version. Just click on the link, save the program, or save the save the file, and then launch it. Just double click on that sucker, and it will launch eventually. It's checking to make sure it's not virus. No virus on that guy. Then eventually it will launch. Trust me, this computer's amazingly slow. Let's try that again. Oh, there we go. Okay, say yes. And then say install. Okay, now, unfortunately, I couldn't find a computer where I had never installed Skype. So it's not going to go through the normal procedure it would go through for a new user. But just follow through, and what you'll end up doing is creating an account, or using your Microsoft account and logging into your account. Once you do that, it will also, part of the setup process, you will see this screen. It'll come up into audio video settings. Here you can set your microphone, your camera, make sure that you have the proper device configured for your microphone. In this case, it has a headset, so you might use that headset. You might use the headset for your speakers. So you can set that up right here. You can adjust the volume control. The microphone, actually on this device, it's built into the on the device. You can adjust the gain. So that's how you do that. Once you have these set properly and Skype is running, you are good to go. You're logged in, you're good to go. Jeff will be sending out a link, and that's all you do is click the link, and what will happen is you'll, instead of going into a Skype call, you'll go into a Skype meeting, because this is what we're setting up, and we can all talk together on Skype. And we can also put that on the YouTube stream, and that's how it works. So thanks for everyone watching, and hopefully we can all get to participate in the meeting later this evening. This is Dave, KD6ZJZ, and I will talk to you later.